principal teachers and students. We, on the behalf of the Students' Union, we express complete solidarity for the Dharna with the faculties, and we, in the strongest possible words, condemn the act of the university. Again, to destroy the normalcy. Like, I cannot say that we achieve the normalcy, but it's again and again a restless situation is creating inside the campus. And this kind of an action shows that we have to live in these shells without constraint or without caring for others. But the words which our teachers who spoke before me is giving a lot of hope. This kind of the bad incidents will not stop our faculties to intervene when the students were in the threat. And that is the basic idea or the basic highlight of the University of Hyderabad, and which again and again shows that the faculties and the teachers and all together form the university community. Nobody is separated, nobody is out or in. We all together, and we will be expressing our complete solidarity and support for the decisions or the moves which the faculty decides, and we will be with you for all the time. Jai Bhim.
Non-teaching staff. Any other teachers would like to speak? Students, GSC, any other representatives would like to come? Students, GSC, anyone?
On behalf of Joint Action Committee for Social Justice, we condemn this suspension, and we see this as a part of the long-standing demand for justice for Rohit. We do not see this as a separate struggle. We thank all the teaching community who have come here. Thank the student and non-teaching staff community who come here on a united platform to resist this kind of draconian move by Apparao Podile-led university administration. We have seen, ever since he has come, he has created rifts among teachers and students, among non-teaching staff and students, among workers and students. There has been constant attempt by him to create tension in this campus, and the onus does not lie on the protesting students and professors of University of Hyderabad. The onus lies on Apparao Podile, who has in the first place compromised on the institutional procedures, who has violated the norms, who in a very undemocratic way socially boycotted the 5 Dalit research scholars that led to Rohit Vemula's death. So the onus lies on Apparao Podile if there is no normalcy today in University of Hyderabad. And the only way normalcy can be restored in this campus is by removing him from this post. As we got to know, the BJP's conspiracy of stealing Rohit's caste identity, that has been crashed, that has been dismantled. Guntur collector's report has clearly stated that Rohit is a Dalit. Rohit lived a Dalit's life. Rohit was an Ambedkarite, is an Ambedkarite, died a Dalit's life, was subjected to humiliation and oppression by this very university administration. So we see this suspension also as part of the struggle, and we salute the fighting spirit of all the faculty, especially Dr. K.Y. Ratnam sir, who has stood against appropriation by Hindu right-wing elements of Ambedkar's thoughts, saying that Ambedkar is a Hindu reformer. And K.Y. Ratnam sir stood against it, sent a reply to RSS magazine, which published one magazine. So, which is why he was targeted. Tathagat is also targeted on similar lines, which is why on behalf of Joint Action Committee, we respect the teaching community who stood with the struggle for justice for Rohit. We respect the larger teacher community who came together when such a draconian move by Apparao Podile-led administration came upon our two brilliant teachers in University of Hyderabad. Thank you.
Well, thanks to everybody for coming here. It's really nice to have you all here. What a little support we have gotten from people. I wanted to say one thing, that so long as the suspension of our teacher colleagues is concerned, let us be very clear about it. It cuts across all the barriers. It could be me, you, or he, or anybody. But this is just not acceptable to the Teachers Association and by and large the teachers community. And this must not be allowed. The circumstances and the flow of events that led to the suspension, issue of the suspension order, they all look pretty dubious to me, at least, to many of us. If we look at all these things in a metaphysical perspective, we got to know that this is just a threat to us, and this is just not acceptable. So we all hope good sense prevails with the administration. If it doesn't, as I said also yesterday, it will have several different ramifications. I once again want to tell our teacher colleagues and by and large to people that our colleagues are our colleagues, especially here Ratnam Garo. Okay, these days they say, no, what's your contribution towards education? Have you formed a new education policy or started something new? Yes, Ratnam Garo started and watered, inspired the Center for Ambedkar Studies. Here is another young guy, as a Harvard PhD. I just cannot think. I don't know what to say. And with this perspective, it just is not acceptable. You just throw and kick people around from here. So, it is once again, it's the demand to the administration that this suspension order must be revoked as early, as quickly as possible. And if the administration fails to do so, then we will decide our course of action. Thank you.